this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy index funds and ETFs using Pepperstone. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go into pepperstone.com. From here you'll need to log into your account, of course. Then from here you'll need to open up the launch web trader. From here it should bring something like this. And here you can see a bunch of different things. But if you want to buy index fund or ETF, you'll simply need to go over to your workspace and then find the ETF that you want to buy. From here, you'll need to right click on it and click buy order. Once you've done that, you'll see this new order page popping up where you can see the symbol. You can also click in another symbol if you want to do that. If you rather buy an index fund instead of an ETF, you can click it in here. From here, you'll need to add in the market type, either a market, a limit, or a stop. And over here, you'll need to enter your lots. From here, you can see the current price, or asking price, and you can see here decide either you want to sell or buy this specific ETF. You can also down here click protection orders, where you can enter stop loss and take profit if you want to do that. But from here, you'll simply need to click send order. From here, it should go through, but because the market is closed currently, it will not. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!